For the short foot exercise, the first thing we want to do is we want to be aware of this point behind your big toe on the ball of your foot and a point behind your little toe on the ball of your foot. So we're going to put the foot flat on the floor like this, and we're going to try and even the weight distribution between those 2 points on the front of your foot. Then from there, your goal is going to be to pull from just behind the ball of your foot towards the front of your heel. So we're going to try and shorten that area. It's almost like you're doing a crunch with your foot without really squishing your toes. You want to really think about pulling this point towards here. So when you do it, you should feel those muscles under the arch of your foot work, and your foot or the arch should lift up slightly. So this is what it looks like. So we're going to go from here. We're going to shorten the foot, hold it for a 2 to 3 count, and then relax it. You can hold it longer if you want to too. So we're going to go again, shorten the foot, and relax it.